How to get Novo Banco bank statement. So you can do this directly inside the app, of course. So make sure you're logged into the account you want to get your statements from. But before anything, there's a bit of information here by Novo Banco themselves. So your statements will be generated on the first day of each new month for the previous month's activity. You can also find these in the accounts and then under statements option, which we will show later, but they are unable to generate partial month statements at the time. But you can also easily export your transaction data via CSV, which is downloadable right from the activity page in the Novo Banco app, and the files are totally compatible with Xero and QuickBooks for easy upload and accounting. But to actually get these statements, just go ahead into your menu over here. You can also search for it directly, but go to the account inquiries. If your menu looks like this, then the same option, which is account inquiries, press on that and you should be able to see the statements option. Once you press on statements, that's pretty much where you will be able to get your bank statements in Novo Banco. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.